Take him out and put him back in.
And see what happens.
Put him back in now. Put the driver in there.
You put the driver in the train.
Yeah, you put the driver in there.
That's good. Now you can chew the driver and still make the train work.
You put the driver in. Oh, exciting. He's got to have the driver though, Henry, because otherwise he'll be out of control.
Yeah. Oh. Make him go then. Make him go. Put the driver in, look. Let's put the man in. Look. Ooh. Oh, the man's gone now. He's lost his driver. Yeah. Where's the driver? Put the driver in. You like him? He's good, isn't he? Brilliant. Oh, you're giving him some love. Yeah. Do you think the driver wants to have his head licked like that? Yeah. Oh, where's Dada? Where's Dada? Dada, where's he gone? Oh, it's a nice Thomas, isn't it? Yeah, it's a present from Auntie Tammy. Yeah, his ears don't come off. Should we make him go? Let's put the man in. Oh. Turn him round. Make him go then.
Good boy.
Dada.
Dada.
Dada, yeah.
Really? You go, Thomas. Oh. Let me do it.
Good, isn't it? Oh, careful. Don't throw him. You wave to Auntie Tammy. Hello, Auntie Tammy. You wave. Hiya. Thank you for my present, Auntie Tammy. Henry. 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 Can you say thank you to Auntie Present for your tummy? Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Auntie Tammy. Yeah, that'll do. Yeah, thank you, Auntie Tammy. Ta-ta, yeah, thank you. Good boy. Bye. Bye, Auntie Tammy. Bye. See ya. Bye. Bye then. See ya. Bye.